all rise? The International Criminal Court is now in session, ICC Moot Court Competition 2021, English edition.
Welcome again, everyone. Yeah, please. Students, please be seated. Court officer already told that be seated, so please be seated. According to the rules of the ICC Moot Court Competition, deliberations were made to assess each of the teams participating based on the following criteria: knowledge of facts and legal principles, articulate analysis of the issues, use of authorities and citations, ingenuity and clarity, persuasiveness, logic and reasoning, and presentation. Now I'll give brief comments to each of the teams. With regard to the team of the counsel for the defense, from the outset, counsel for the defense presented his request clearly, and his introductory remarks foreshadowed the structure he would follow in the presentation of the arguments. He further showed his knowledge of the jurisprudence of this court and that of other international criminal tribunals. He answered the questions from the bench in an articulated and assertive manner. Moreover, when doing his rebuttal, counsel for the defense was specific as to the submissions from the other parties to which he was responding. Now I turn to the team of the counsel for the prosecution. Counsel for the prosecution effectively used the tone of his speech to recall the gravity of the crimes in this case. Although not included in the issues to be addressed, counsel for the prosecution added important arguments to the discussion, showing knowledge of the standard of review in appeals at this court, as well as the standard of proof applicable at the stage of the confirmation hearing. His specific references to the facts of this case and to the jurisprudence of this and the other courts were clear. Now I turn to the team of the counsel for the state of Wessos. Counsel for the state of Wessos shows an outstanding knowledge of law, jurisprudence, and the principles applicable to each of the issues she addressed in her submissions. She was able to clearly relate precedents to the facts of the case and the applicable law. Her application of the law to the facts also showed her knowledge of the case, and this proved to be very persuasive. Counsel for the state also showed a good knowledge of the source of law and its application to the court's statutory framework. Her demeanor, tone, and pace in the presentation of her arguments were appropriate. Additionally, she showed her ability to react to the situation in the hearing by referring to the submissions of other parties and particularly to the questions that the bench had previously asked to other parties. Now I will give the floor to Juan Calderon, who will announce the second runner-up.
Thank you, President. The second runner-up of the ICC Moot Court Competition 2021 English edition is the Counsel Team for the Prosecutor. Congratulations. This certificate for each of the members of the team, as well as the ICC award for the university, will be sent in due course.
Thank you. Now I'll give the floor to Anya Salinas, who will announce the first runner-up.
Thank you, Your Honor. The first runner-up is the Counsel Team for the Defense. This certificate for each of the members of the team, as well as the ICC award for the university, will be sent to you in due course.
And the winner of the ICC Moot Court Competition 2021 English version is Counsel Team for the State of Wessos. Congratulations. This is the ICC award for the winner that would be sent with the certificates for each of the members of the team as soon as possible. After the awards for the team accomplishment have been presented, now the court also award a prize to the best overall speaker. In awarding this prize, all participants throughout the entire competition have been taken into consideration. I am pleased to announce that the best speaker is the Counsel for the State of Wessos. So this is the award for the best overall speaker that would be sent with the certificate. Congratulations. Do you want to say something? You have the
Mr. President, Your Honors, it has been a great pleasure to plead before the bench today, and it's also a great pleasure to meet strong opponents from around the world. It has been a great learning experience for us. So thank you for judging the round, and thank you to the organizers who organized this round. Thank you.
Thank you. Actually, as you mentioned, this is the first time for the court to hold this competition final in this video link way, and this is really historic moment. But I hope we can see in person from next year so that we have more opportunity and time to talk about the court and talk about the future of the court and how we can make this court more working better for the whole world as well. I congratulate all of you for your excellent work and deep knowledge of the ICC and the Rome Statute system. I trust you will put your knowledge and experience to the service of the law and justice, and in particular, international criminal justice. The Moot Court Appeals hearing is now closed.
All rise.